host for today. No.
It can't be a Mr. Moo.
Shut up.
It's a sheep.
No, you back up from the camera. Has it started yet?
No.
Okay. Yes, it has.
Yeah, it has.
Okay, start over. Hello, I'm Mr. Moo, and I'm going to be interviewing Makiba.
Yeah.
Come out, Makiba.
Yeah. I'm gonna fix the camera angle. Your cameramen are bad, Mr. Moo.
I know. That's why I'm going to fire them.
Oh yeah, let them know.
Don't tell them that, though.
Let them know while you're doing a video. They'll just quit.
A fly!
I got it. Back. Stop hanging around the webcam. I mean cameraman. Anyway.
I got it.
Yes, you
So, what's your name?
My name is Michaela.
I see.
CCI.
That was loserish. Now, hiya! Hiya! I'm sorry, but Mr. Moo has been canceled. Thank you, and good night.
Yeah.
Stop rolling.